Hello everyone, my name is Ken Fairbanks and I'm the Director of the Learning Resources Division at Virginia Highlands Community College. Today I'm going to continue with my part 2 of my presentation on artificial intelligence and how it will impact college instruction in the near future. Let's pick up with the challenges and risks created by AI. AI is already posing some serious challenges and risks in higher ed when it comes to the interactions between instructors and students. First, plagiarism. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's work or ideas without proper acknowledgement. AI tools can make plagiarism easier and harder to detect and prevent. For example, a student may use AI or an AI tool to generate or paraphrase text or content that is not their own, yet pass it off as their own work. However, students may also use AI tools to check and cite their sources correctly and make sure that they're avoiding plagiarism. Cheating is another category. Cheating is the act of violating the rules and expectations of an academic task or activity. AI tools can enable or discourage cheating in different ways. For example, a student may use AI to find or generate answers to a test or assignment without doing the work themselves. However, instructors and students may use AI tools like Respondus Monitor and Turnitin to monitor and verify that students adhere to the college's academic honesty policy. However, I must warn instructors not to rely too heavily on products like Turnitin that attempt to detect AI-generated submissions, as they are not foolproof and often produce false positives. In some cases, students can simply ask a generative AI like ChatGPT to revise an output so as to be undetectable as AI, and the chatbot will generate a more natural-sounding text. Then there's privacy. Privacy is the right to control one's personal information and data. AI tools may collect and use student and instructor data for various purposes, such as improving the service, providing feedback, generating recommendations, etc. However, this also raises questions about who owns, accesses, shares, stores, protects, and deletes the data, and how the data is used, analyzed, interpreted, and presented. For example, a student may not want an AI system to track their online activity and performance without their consent and knowledge, and an instructor may not want AI to share their teaching data with other parties without their permission and control. Finally, accountability. Accountability is the responsibility to explain one's actions and decisions. AI can make decisions that affect students' learning outcomes or instructors' teaching practices. However, these decisions may not be transparent, understandable, reliable, consistent, accurate, fair, ethical, etc. For example, a student may not know how an AI system or tool grades their work and provides feedback to them, and whether they can appeal or challenge the feedback or grade if they disagree with it. On the other side, an instructor may not know how an AI tool evaluates their teaching and provides suggestions to them, and whether they can accept or reject it if they find the suggestions to be inappropriate or unhelpful. These are just a few of the examples of challenges that we may face as faculty grappling with the rapid adoption of AI. Faculty may also leverage AI tools to enhance their instruction and engage their students in teaching and learning in various ways, such as curriculum design. Instructors can use AI tools to design and update their curriculum based on the latest trends, standards, and best practices in their field or discipline. For example, an instructor can use AI to analyze the learning outcomes, competencies, and skills that are in demand or relevant for their subject area and align their course objectives, content, activities, and assessments accordingly. An advantage of using AI for curriculum design is that it can help instructors keep up with the fast-changing knowledge and technology inside their discipline. A challenge in using AI for curriculum design is that it may not capture the nuances, context, and values that are important to the instructor and the students. Content creation. College faculty can use AI tools to create and augment their content for instruction using generative techniques. For example, an instructor can use an AI system or tool to generate text, images, video, audio, and interactive elements that can supplement their lectures, presentations, assignments, and feedback. An advantage of using AI for content creation is that it can help instructors save time and resources and stimulate their creativity and innovation. A challenge in using AI for content creation is that it may not produce accurate, reliable, consistent, ethical, or original content that meets the needs of the instructor's standards and expectations. Student support is another area. Faculty can use AI systems or tools to provide personalized support and feedback to their students. For example, an instructor may use an AI to monitor their students' progress, performance, engagement, or satisfaction, and provide timely, customized, and adaptive guidance and feedback. An advantage to using AI for student support is that it can help instructors reach more students and cater to their diverse needs, goals, and preferences. In short, AI can help instructors personalize their instruction. A challenge of using AI for student support is that instructors may not establish a genuine rapport, trust, and empathy with their students. As educators, we have to strike a balance to be effective. An important thing to remember in each of these examples, whether you are an instructor or a student, is that AI cannot and should not replace your unique voice, passion, and perspective within your courses. It is these human elements of voice, passion, and perspective that allows us to connect and learn from each other. AI is just another category of technology tools that can help us be more efficient and creative, but we have to teach students the critical thinking, reasoning, and problem-solving skills required to evaluate artificial intelligence and the information that it provides. Employers are already looking for graduates with these skills and the experience needed to leverage AI in the workplace. One of the keys to working with AI successfully is understanding how to write effective prompts, and companies are now hiring people who can write the appropriate prompts to produce the needed AI outputs. Those same employees also need to be able to determine if the information generated by AI is factual or just a hallucination, which is how computer scientists describe when AI produces false information in response to a prompt. Lastly, I would like to wrap up with some recommendations for VHCC faculty who want to use AI in both their online and classroom-based instruction. First, explore the growing number of AI tools that are relevant to your field or discipline and learn how to use them effectively and ethically. Then teach your students about them. Second, create a community of practice at VHCC consisting of your peers who are using or interested in using AI, and share your experiences, challenges, and best practices with them. Third, participate in training programs, workshops, and courses to help you develop your skills and confidence in using AI in your instruction. And finally, please remember that I am here to help. I am happy to answer any questions you may have regarding artificial intelligence, help you find tools, or just brainstorm ideas for incorporating AI activities into your courses. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this presentation both informative and useful.